Good morning, students. Today I will tell you how to send an email. Yesterday I gave you one project and activity. Project is write a letter in readable, clean handwriting to Chief Minister to request them to take care of poor in lockdown. And activity is that email above letter to Chief Minister. This was project and activity to you. We know our Maharashtra is locked down. As we are in condition of lockdown, we can't go outside and we have not to go outside because corona is spreading day by day. And if you want to be safe, then you must be at home. It is very good thing. I am requesting all of you to be safe and be in the houses only. Be at home only. But as we are in home, as we can't go outside, there are a lot of people. They are earning when they are going out. Means they are having daily wages. If they can't work a day, they will not get food for a day. Means they are getting daily work and they are getting daily food. There are a lot of people. They are working daily and they are getting daily and they are having things daily. So these people there are some rickshaw pullers, there are some rickshaw drivers, there are some vendors, there are some road sellers. So these people can't get food if they don't work. There are a lot of company workers. In lockdown, if some companies are locked down, they will not get works. So for these people, I request Chief Minister to help them. Like our Chief Minister has done a lot of things also, no problem. Like Shiv Thali is there. They are doing a lot of things. But once again, we want to request more to Chief Minister to help these poor people. That's why we are writing letter to Chief Minister. As we are sending letter to Chief Minister, I request you to write a letter in clean, readable handwriting. I have given email address of Chief Minister to cm@maharashtra government in. But today, from 9th of the April, there is some problem. There are some errors with email address of our Chief Minister. So I am telling you not to send your email to Chief Minister. You have to send that email to me, then I will forward it to CM later when issue will be solved. Now I am telling you my email address. This is my email address. This is my email address here. Here is my email address, sardar.ravindra@gmail.com. It is my email address. Now you can see. This is my email address. So you have to send to me, and then when issue will be solved, when the errors will be corrected, when error will be not there, then I will once again resend it to Chief Minister. So first send to me. Now I will tell you how to send email. Now in your Android mobile, there is inbuilt application, that is Gmail. You have to go in Gmail. Now I am in my own Gmail. I am in my own email account. Now in your Gmail account, in your Gmail, at the bottom you can see there is a plus icon, colorful plus icon. You can see plus icon. Touch that plus icon. Yes. Now here you can send any attachment. Here you can send letter. I have told you to send letter to me, not to CM. Then I will forward it to CM because some errors are there. So you have to type email address. Now I have typed my own email address, but it is my different email address. It is my Yahoo email address. Here it is Gmail address, so different I have type, but here you have to send, you have to type my own above this, you have to type sardar.ravindra23@gmail.com, you have to type. Then you have to attach the file, you have to attach the letter. How to attach? Here is the attachment pin, or on the top of the Gmail you can see there are some icons. There are three icons, one attachment icon, then sending icon. Here is the attachment icon beside the sending icon. Here is the attachment, attach. Now attach file. Now I am attaching here letters from the my files. Now you can go in your file, you can go in your photos, you can go in your gallery. I am going gallery. Now in my gallery I am going recent. There is nothing in recent, so it might be in my WhatsApp. Yes, I have not here. Here. So here there are two letters, letter to Chief Minister. I have attached it. Now I have attached two letters. I have attached. Now I am sending it. I am sending it. Now you can see here sending icon. There is blue sending icon on the top. You have to touch that. I am offline, so I will select my net. Now it will be sent. Now I am sending. My same that same. I am opening that. Now once again I have to send because I was offline. Once again I will do that same process, no problem. You will learn that. From it is my own address and I am sending to my own address. Why? Because I want to tell you how to send. Now I will attach. There are my two letters. I will attach once again. Yes, I have attached. Now I will send. Now see, you can see sending. Now it is sent. If you have some problem, you can undo it. Now it is sent. Like this you have to send. I think you may have got this, how to send email. Now please send to me. I will once again resend it to Chief Minister. Thank you all.